Hello, and thanks for joining everyone. My name is Jenna Burley, and I'm a customer success coach here at Bright MLS. And today we are going to take a look at utilizing the market update in Save Search to see recent activity. So I'd like to point out our hot sheets option. We all know that we can create a hot sheet and with particular criteria for a residential type, and more importantly, a client that is really looking for a particular type of home. Hot sheets is a great way to make sure that you're staying up to date on any current listings that meet that client's particular needs. However, when we create our saved searches, and we know that we all have a lot of saved searches that we like to create, we can just go to our search drop-down menu, click on our saved searches, and get that update for any of the saved searches that we have created here. So for instance, if I want to go into this current saved search and get that market update, I'll just click on market update. And then here at the bottom, I can see any updates that have occurred within a date range. So I can specify maybe for the last 30 days, the last 60 days, the last 90 days from the date that I created the search. So I can just hit search. And here are here's my current update for that particular criteria. But if I want to view that the same way that I can view a hot sheet, all I have to do is click on my drop-down menu, choose hot sheets, and now I have that change type information displayed there as well. So I can see if there was any price decreases, if something is new active or active under contract or closed, based on the criteria that I created for that saved search. So I hope that this was helpful. I'm wishing you all the best of luck. Have a great day. So let's see.